Pareidolia, if that's how you pronounce it, where we see recognizable shapes in the clouds or in other things. So this is one of those wet years. Lots of storm clouds, lots of thunderstorms. We've been getting a lot of rain. And being there's so many clouds, we decided to go take a look and see if we can see any storms. And we also like to look at the shapes of the clouds. During long trips, we would check out the clouds and try to find shapes to pass the time, make the trip shorter. And it just kind of became a fun exercise, which I didn't know there was a term for that, which I added at the front of this video. So yeah, it was a very nice trip. We drove around and we saw a lot of things in the clouds.
Why are you barking, mister?
You can do that too. We're going to spare you us commenting on the clouds. But yeah, there's some beautiful weather. Some people don't like it because it's so wet, but that's just the way it is. Come on, let's go in. You're not going to town. You act up too much. Come on. Come you too. You're the worst. Yeah, you just can't be still in the back. You gotta make a fuss. Yeah, you're coming in. That cloud has got a big mouth and it looks like it's about to eat something. Look at that. That's just crazy looking.